this is part 3 of my massive unboxing. I'm going to be unboxing all these Maymeis. These were kindly gifted to me from popboxes.com. You can use my discount code MIC12 and that's actually going to get you 15% off up until Christmas. So, Maymeis. I love Maymeis. Let's start off with these ones first. Now, these are the May I Love You series, and they are absolutely all so cute. I really, really want May's lock. That's probably my main one that I want. Or maybe May's letter. I don't know what the secrets are like, but definitely May's lock. All right, the only one I don't like from here is No More Tears. I just don't like teal. I'm not a teal person. All right. All right, who is it? Can you see? Who did I get? I got the lock one, the one I wanted. She's so cute. And she has like the cutest little charm thing. So that is her card. And this is so cute. Look at her. I love her wings. Oh my God, I'm so happy that I got her. I just love her. And this is really cute. All right, well, next one, I don't really care what I get because I got the one I wanted. But even the angel or May's key is cute. But May's letter would be cute. Or a secret. All right, who is it going to be? You see first. Who is it? Oh, that's cute. Which one's May's gift? That's her card. And that is her with her chain. So cute. I think Sagey's gonna love this one. Now, lucky last boxes. Now, these are all really, really cute. These are what you can get. I definitely want this one the most. That is succulent. Succulent? Yeah, succulent wolf. Morning Glory Bunny are probably my main two. The only one I don't want is Mushroom Mouse. I think that is super ugly. Sorry. Okay, let's see what I get. And it is, you can see first, who is it? Is this the one I didn't want? No, this is Cactus Bear. Okay, Cactus Bear. It's the eyes move. I didn't know these eyes moved. Oh my God. Look, she's not too bad. I don't mind green. Oh, and she has posable arms. Card. So that is her. Very cute. Look, she is growing on me. I love her eyes. Her eyes are really cute. Don't know what this looks like, but who is it? Am I gonna love her? Oh my God, I got the wolf. I got the wolf. Yay! This is the one I wanted. Oh, that is so lucky. Stop it. This is her card. And that is her with her little pendant. Thank you so much, Pop Boxes. Definitely check them out and definitely use my discount code, especially up until Christmas, because you are going to get 15% off. I will leave the links in my Linktree bio.